Tutorial on running the Liberator compressed earth brick press, the hydraulic automated controls. Here's the press. See that pretty much? Okay, here's the computer controller. Okay, so first start by testing. Go to the wiki, go to the front page, go to the Civilization Starter Kit DVD, table of contents, click anywhere, CEB press, that would do it. And go to CEB press, go to the CEB press control code, section 3.7, follow the directions there. So basically, that shows the code for continuous operation and testing. So before you start the machine, let's test the code. What you do is download the testing code file, just like here. That's called cebtesting.ino. That's in the new Arduino desktop environment. If you're using older code, do the extension as .pde. Same file, but extension .pde for older versions of the Arduino desktop environment. And upload the code to the controller. So here I was taken to the .ino file. I already have it on my desktop, so I'm going to go back, upload that. Let's see, let's go back to the control code, upload it to the Arduino microcontroller. But before you do that, you want to do, okay, that's continuous pressing. For testing, sorry, so now go to testing. So download the CEB testing file, .ino, upload it to the controller. Now use the testing interface code file, go to the OpenPario. You've got the CEB testing version 2 uno.python. That's a Python file. So I actually have that on the desktop here. That's where I have it. It's right there. Now open terminal. So you open up the terminal, go to the desktop. So I'm going to go change directory to the desktop, and then run the CEB testing v2 uno file. Okay, so it gets you this interface for testing, and then you can test all the individual sensors. So with the USB cord plugged from the computer to the Arduino, you see that. So that's, if you unplug that, the light goes off, but this, now just the computer is powering up the Arduino. That's what's happening. And so use this interface, just click on these buttons, things like start with open connection. When you open the connection, that's, the board is active. So now you can press all the individual MOSFETs, turning on power to different parts of the solenoid. So you can click on 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. But basically, yeah, so you see that one blinking there. I'm going to switch it to the next one. Well, let's see, that's 3, that's 6, 9, 10, 11. So you see those blinking lights there. You can also make the LED blink. So that's what happens there. That's just for testing that we are communicating with the Arduino board. Then you can close connection, and that's what happens. So that's the basics for testing the code. Now the next part will be how you actually run the machine with power. Right now I'm just using the computer for power. Next step is using this cord right here. That's the terminal connection. It's going to go to the battery, but we'll do that next. Now that's live power. You can burn out this board if you're not careful, so you gotta be careful about that. Make sure the polarity on the battery is, that's the first thing. Make sure the polarity is correct, but we'll do that next.